Yes. Hello, Jesus? Yes, Jesus. Yeah, me I go beg you. Yes, I'm going to ask you to take the case and the pillow this time. No, the case and the pillow. Yes, and you can take the bed too. Watch this.
Conference, I tell you that our leader, our prime minister, is a man we can trust. And him come the right time. As I tell you, you can trust him, him come. Him is a good man. All him wife say him is a good man, he comes on time.
What? No, man. No. Why no? No, for the wife say he's a good man, he comes on time something there, brother. Alright, so I'm pretty sure everybody has seen this on the news by now, or well, not the news, but it's making its rounds on social media. And I'm pretty sure everybody has got a look at it so far.
And Alex, he said he was forced to fire, and this afternoon he says he would do it all again if it meant protecting his family and his neighbors.
I never know how to come out of it alive. I never know how to come out of it alive.
Donovan Stewart thankful he and his girlfriend are alive.
He come to kill. He come for blood. I guess what they after? My jewelry.
After what he describes was an attempted robbery.
And the only reason why I come out of it alive is when I grab that AK and I put it to the side and keep baking it and make sure it can lift down again and keep baking it.
Stewart abruptly woken up by a loud knock at the door as he slept in his van off Northwest 6th Court near 71st Street. When he finally got up to check who was outside,
The door was so violently grabbed open, and by I look up, my AK was in my nose. I used common sense and quick reflect, get the AK out, and I empty my Glock in his chest.
So this brother here now, Mr. Donovan Stewart, I think his name is. This is in my part of Florida, okay? This is in my part of the USA. This is Florida, right? And what happened was, like he said, he was about to get robbed, right? He was, me I wonder to myself though, why Donovan asleep outside in a the van? I put him out, you know. I think I put him out, you know. But anyway, he's sleeping outside in his van, right? Which honestly is not, it's not a unnormal or abnormal thing to do. If the weather is nice out here sometime, you sit outside in front of your house, kick off your shoes, you know what I say, put up your foot them on the, and just chill in your vehicle, like right in front of your house. You can talk to your neighbors that way. In some communities, that's just how it is. So I don't know how theme vibes is in that community, but the man saying that they are chill out, right, in his van, a whole like a sleep, a like a midday sleep. You don't know what going on in that house. Next thing you know, a AK-47 in his face. A AK-47, you know, big long rifle, you know, in his face, in his nose, the man said. Now, what I am looking at here is, yo, people, first of all, I'm glad that, and I advocate for this all the time. I tell my people all the time, listen, make sure that you have a licensed firearm. You see this case here with Donovan? Him bust it, you know, and him not have to run, go nowhere. He doesn't have to hide. He doesn't have to, oh God, I bust an illegal gun. Because believe it or not, in the United States of America, when you defend yourself with a firearm, if that firearm is illegal, even if your life was really in jeopardy, your behind is going to be in trouble because you killed somebody or shot somebody with an illegal weapon, right? But from the thing registered to you and it is yours, what if you have all your conceal and carry permit or everything? He was parked right outside his house, inside his vehicle. That's considered his property. You don't even need a permit for that. You just need to have that registered legally to you. And apparently his was registered legally. Put your trust in a Glock, it don't stick. Alright? So here we go. I applaud him for his composure under pressure. Because this takes a lot, believe it or not. Donovan look like one of them man that were used to them kind of thing that still me not lie. The man say, I see an AK in my nose and I take it out. But we are laugh at this serious thing make joke. If you think about it. Somebody got an AK at your nose. Well, Donovan say in your nose. At your nose, right? AK-47. And you're there. You know you got your gun on your belly right here. But it's under your shirt. You're thinking if I move, all he got to do is just squeeze, right? He had the composure to grab the nozzle off the AK-47. Him not thinking of, like if me miss, and then you to back up and just and hit me with it. He's thinking that person here is going to kill me. So I have no choice but to do what I'm about to do. Quickly he said, grab the AK nozzle, take it out of his face, pull out his own gun, which is a Glock himself, and I empty my Glock in his chest. So him holding on to the and I know the guy that was holding on to the gun probably not letting it go, because the last thing you want to do in a jokes or robbery is let go your weapon and give the person you were trying to rob. We've seen funny videos of those all the time. People high on drugs go try to rob store, and next thing they push the gun over the counter and drop the gun, and then the clerk has the gun pointed at the robber. You know what I'm saying? So get that out your face, pull, and empty the Glock in his chest. The man said, I don't know how that Glock they work, but pull. I'm guessing they had the safety thing. I don't carry a Glock. I guess they have a safety clip at the side where it says switch from safe to semi. So when you hold it, you switch at the side with your thumb like this. To think of all that though, because that's a multiple step process. Grab the gun, pull out your gun, switch from safe to semi. RM Glock no have no safety. I don't know. And just empty. Well, there you have it. And so far, he's not going to jail. It did look kind of, I'm sure they're thinking all kinds of stuff right now. What was the motive for the robbery? Was he out there selling drugs and these people were watching him and went to go stick up the weed man? But Donovan says they came for his jewelry. How him know so them come for him jewelry? They probably said, give me all your nigga, and something like that. I don't know. So I'm gonna stay close to this story because I'm interested in finding out where this story goes after this. But I'm glad to say you're alive, brother, as a fellow Jamaican. In the USA, gunshine state we call the state of Florida. You don't talk stupidity to people here, and you don't buff up your chest and talk about gun in this state. These southern states, you don't talk about gun to people. Any gun threat you do, if you pull it out, you better bust it, because more than likely, others have theirs too. So, anyways, people, just wanted to go through that one with you, and that's something that we Montague about. When we call him, he comes, and he comes on time, and his wife say he's a good man cause he comes on time. Why? I'm out. Peace.